Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to make Agar Agar. I'll tell you more about Agar Agar in a bit, and with it we're gonna make channa chaat. I mean chole chaat, chickpeas. It's very easy to make. Okay, so this is Agar Agar. Basically, what this is it's an algae, similar to seaweed. So this is in a raw form. We bought this some time ago. I tried to find some more, but I couldn't. I believe they come in a powder form now. So, so there you go. It looks like a stretched plastic. So it's a dried algae. It's called Agar Agar, and if you translate Agar to English from Urdu or Pashto, it means if. So first what you need to do is soak it in milk. Soak it in milk, and then we are going to boil it. We always made it in milk. I believe you can make it in water by adding food colors to it. So you know, once this is made, it's like jelly or custard, but it's different than custard. It's actually better than custard and jelly. It's lighter in taste. It feels lighter. So we'll let it soak. Then we're going to boil it and add sugar to it. Okay, so that's the packaging. It came in, as you can see, Agar Agar. I believe it's originated from Japan. Right, so for the chaat, we have here boiled chickpeas, and we have spring onions, we have fresh coriander, we have cucumber, we have tomato, we have chili, and here we have imli soaked, made into a sauce, and we're going to add the chaat masala, the standard chaat masala. There you go. And you have black pepper, crushed black pepper, cumin seed, chili powder, and you have potatoes, boiled. Okay, so you chop the coriander finely, like so. Chopping the spring onions. If you like this video, please subscribe and like it and share it. Okay, we're now going to mix the chaat. I'll do a full list of the ingredients. So here's a lime, half lime. I'm going to squeeze it into the chaat. I mean, these are the ingredients that we use. I mean, you can change or add extra things to it, or take the stuff you don't like. But this is how we make it. That's the lime. That's the imli. I think it's tamarind or tamarind. Yeah, I think. You could either get a ready sauce, or, but it's best to make it your own from the actual fruit. These are the spices. And finally the chaat masala. So that's now ready to be served. We didn't add an extra salt to it because you get the salt in the chaat masala. But once you make it, and if you feel that it's not salty enough, then you can always add the salt at later stage. So here we go. Adding sugar. Just adding a touch of cardamom. You can also add food colors as I said before, but we're going to leave it plain. You need to stir this while cooking, and it does take time for the agar agar algae to dissolve. You know, this agar agar has an amazing taste. I mean, you can only find out if you try it. If, as the name suggests, if agar, if you try it, you'll know. It's nearly done. It doesn't go thick in the pan, but when you put it into a glass, then it sets. Okay, so that's the agar agar done. We're now gonna pour it into these glasses. And this will get set in the glass. Or this, or a bowl. So that's now ready. We're going to let it cool before we put it into the fridge. So that's your chaat and your agar agar. That's going to be my next project for making a tandoor, a small tandoor. So I've got this terracotta pot from Tesco. It's quite big. I mean, you could get two naans in there, and some, chicken and kebabs and stuff. So I'm going to be making that later once I get all the stuff sorted out.